This is Food Chem Unit 4, continuing our discussion on nutrients. So now I'd like to talk about the effects of processing and preserving food with a few specific examples. So let's talk about flour. Processing to make white flour removes niacin, thiamine, riboflavin, and iron in the wheat. So in 1942, legislation in the U.S. mandated that these vitamins would be added to the flour after processing. In 1993, vitamin B12 or folate, the FDA decided that this now had to be added to refined grain products. A direct connection between this vitamin B deficiency and birth defects was shown. 1996, the FDA wanted most grains and cereal products to have folic acid added to them. So the processing of flour reduces a lot of the vitamins. So there have been laws now to make sure these vitamins were put back into the wheat in our products. Fortification. So this is the process of adding nutrients to food to correct a nutritional deficiency in a population. The fortificant is the nutrients itself that's added to the food. It's often iron, iodine, calcium, vitamins A, C, and D. All right, let's talk about salt. Okay, it is a voluntary process, but 78% of all salt has iodine added. Now, doing this has almost completely eliminated goiter, or an enlarged thyroid that's due to an iodine deficiency. So here's the iodized salt. So here's a normal thyroid and then the goiter. And if you want to see a real picture, here's what the goiter looks like. So it's an enlarged thyroid. And this happens because of an iodine deficiency. So now that this is in our salts, we can start to reduce this. Okay. Now scientists though need to be careful that fortified foods do not reach toxic levels of the nutrient. Only so much can be added. All right, and packaging. So let's talk about packaging with milk. Some vitamins are destroyed by light and heat. Packages are being designed to help reduce nutrient loss. So take milk, for example. It's a great source of riboflavin, which is vitamin B2. Riboflavin is very sensitive to light. In a few hours, the store lights can destroy the riboflavin in milk sold in transparent containers. So milk is often packaged in opaque cartons or translucent plastic containers, which will block light rays. Also, bags to hold pre-cut vegetables have many environments of nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. This gas mixture helps preserve vitamins. So remember, there's a packaging engineering career, and this is what they study to help package your foods properly.